I now pronounce the Pontypandy Fire Station open day. Open!
Hooray!
You can get your photographs taken with the firefighters and their vehicles. And don't forget, you can even buy a mug with my face on it.
Oh, what a lovely mug. You can't drive Hydra, Snipper.
And we've got a special surprise that's on its way to the station at this very moment.
Oh, interesting.
Excuse me! Red hot chili nibbles coming through. Hey, you two, offer some around. Okay, Mum.
Ooh, I say. These look splendid.
I'll just warn you, Station Officer Steele, they are a bit, fiery.
That holds no fear for me. Nothing like a spicy snack to brighten up your day, yes? Oh, hot! Hot!
Are they too hot?
Water! Water! It burns!
Oh, I think they might be.
Stand aside! Hey, give me that!
Red hot chili nibble?
Oh. Have you any idea what this space is for, Penny?
No idea at all, Sam.
Ooh, nice bike.
Whoa, who's that?
I want everybody to give a warm Pontypandy welcome to our new police officer, PC Malcolm Williams.
Hi, everyone.
Red hot chili nibble?
Ooh, don't mind if I do. Thanks. Tasty.
Mamma mia! I think Mum might have made her red hot chili nibbles a bit too red hot.
Oh, water! Ice! Ice! And water! And more ice!
Kids?
Mamma mia!
This isn't going very well.
Water!
Don't worry, Mum. We just need to get back to the cafe and make a new batch of red hot chili nibbles.
With a bit less of the red hot.
Agreed.
Right then, Malcolm. Come and meet the team. Ah, Malcolm, this is Helen Flood, Pontypandy's nurse.
Oh, hello, you big lemon.
You're the big lemon round here.
Huh?
Don't worry, Sam. This big lemon here is my big sister.
Ah, I see.
I didn't know you were coming to Pontypandy.
Well, I got a bit fed up with the big city. Fancied a bit of peace and quiet.
Oh, no! Nipper!
Is that a dog driving a car? Time to go to work.
Welcome to Pontypandy, little brother.
I'll get the dog if you know how to stop that thing.
Roger that, Malcolm. Oh! Oh, dear. Thank you.
I hope that dog has a driving license.
Nice rescue, Malcolm.
Right back at you, Sam.
I think we're going to make a pretty good team.
Come on, kids. We have to hurry. Oh, dear. I don't think I can do enough in just the fryer. I might need to get some pans on the go as well.
shapes.
Good idea, James. Oh, but don't touch that chili powder till I get you some gloves. Now, where did I put those gloves? Oh no! Quick, kids, outside!
We need to call Fireman Sam.
Bronwyn has been making her red-hot chili nibbles and has set fire to the Whole Fish Cafe.
Bronwyn has been making her red-hot chili nibbles
And it's set fire to the whole fish cafe.
Come on, everyone! Clear the area! Don't worry, Sam. I've got your back. Fireman Sam might need some backup.
Well, off you go, little brother.
Ooh, what's going on now?
Come on, you three. It'll be safer over here.
Let's get to work.
Roger that, Sam.
Is everyone okay?
I'm okay. Yes. Yes, we're okay.
Get down! Ellie, you shut off the gas and I'll put out the oil fires.
Roger that, Sam. Gas off, Sam.
Thanks, Ellie. Good work.
Well, Bronwyn, the fire is out. You won't be serving fish and chips in there anytime soon, but I did manage to rescue these.
I'm sorry, Sam. I know I should have been watching the pans instead of looking in the cupboard, but I got in too much of a rush.
Rushing is often dangerous, Bronwyn, and you need to remember that safety always comes first.
I know, Sam.
At least everyone is okay.
We are.
Oh, thank you, Uncle Sam.
Red hot chili nibble?
Ooh, don't mind if I do. I didn't get to try one earlier.
Delicious. It's really nice. Water, Sam?
Oh, thank you, Malcolm. Oh, we are a good team.
That we are, Sam. That we are.
They've got a kick, haven't they?
I've been to Cardiff. I've been to Splot. I've been to Swansea, but it really wasn't hot. I've been to Newtown.
What is making that nasty plinky and plonky noise?
These are ukuleles, Norman, and you know it.
Why don't you join our band, Norman?
I'd rather eat a pile of mud. Plinky plonky, plinky plonky.
I think it's about time we taught Norman Price a lesson. But how? We need to make the ukulele so cool, everyone will want to join our band, even Norman. Good idea, Mandy. All we have to do is turn Trevor into a ukulele rock star.
Oops.
That's not going to be easy. Don't worry, Mandy. All we need is some new lyrics, a new ukulele, and a cool rock video. Yes, let's get started. Now remember, Station Officer Steele, commanding.
Oh, yes. Commanding.
Cridlington, if you are going to sort out those fire extinguishers, do it quietly.
Oh, sorry, sir.
How can I look commanding with all this kerfuffle going on?
Put them down quietly, Elvis. Okay, Sam. Oh,
great! Tangled! Oh, yeah!
Oh, dear.
Cridlington!
Listen up, people. We're going to make a super cool rock video. Moose, have you got all the special effects?
I got smoke, fireworks, and a great big wind machine, eh?
Dynamite. And Trevor, well, you just have to look cool.
This wig is making my head itch.
Get used to it, Trevor. You're a rock star now. Okay, people, let's make the greatest ukulele rock video ever!
You're right, Sam. This is much quieter than checking the fire extinguishers.
There. Your portrait is finished, Station Officer Steele.
Ooh, I say, I do look very commanding.
Oh, I want to see it too. Elvis, wait, the floor is... What? Oh! Wet. Oh, it's very lifelike, Bronwyn. It's as if the eyes follow you.
Cridlington!
Right, Trevor, this is the last shot. Now let's get going, people. We're losing the light. Okay, Moose, this is the big one. I don't just want a bit of wind. I want you to really whip up a storm.
Gotcha! Big wind coming up.
Ooh, it's getting a bit choppy.
More wind, Moose. Roll camera and action!
I've been to Vegas.
Oh, what the grizzly! Whoa!
Turn the fan off, Moose.
Slow down!
Oh no! The waterfall! Trevor! Jump into Moose's boat now!
What?
Moose! Now turn the wind machine back on!
Oh, that was close. We're not out of danger yet. We gotta get away from that waterfall. I'm on full power.
Medical Fireman Sam!
Just leave it, Cridlington.
2 members of the Pontypandy Ukulele Band are heading towards a waterfall in a rowing boat powered by a wind machine.
2 members of the Pontypandy Ukulele Band are heading towards a waterfall in a rowing boat powered by a wind machine.
Elvis, you come with me in Hydrus. Penny, you take Mercury.
Roger that, Sam.
Paddle harder, Trev!
I'm paddling as hard as I can.
Sam, I'll tie off the safety line for Hydrus.
Roger that, Penny.
Go, Sam!
I'll hold her steady. Elvis, you get Trevor on board. Roger that, Sam. You need to jump across, Moose.
Alrighty! Oh!
Moose!
Grab this, Moose.
Got it!
Don't worry, Moose. You're safe now. It was a good job you were wearing a life jacket.
Phew! I'm sorry, Uncle Sam. I think I got a bit too carried away making my video.
All of you need to be very careful when you're around water. Currents can be very strong. And apparently, so can wind machines.
Sorry, Fireman Sam.
Sorry.
Well, at least you're all safe.
And we've made a cool rock video. Hi, everyone, and welcome to the screening of Trevor the Ukemeister Evans' first ever rock video.
Ooh, this should be very good indeed.
This is going to be great, eh?
Oh, it'll be rubbish.
I've been to Vegas, I've been to Rome, I've been to Boston, but I never called it home. I've been to New York, been to Hong Kong, but there's only one place that I really do belong. It's Pontypandy, that's where I am. Oh yeah, Pontypandy, huh! It's got Fireman Sam. Pontypandy, thank you.
Oh, that was fantastic, eh?
Trevor's got the voice of an angel.
Sarah, that was actually a really cool video. Is it okay if I join your band?
Of course, Norman. The ukulele is for everyone.
But I'm not going to wear that horrible wig anymore. It made my head go all itchy.
That's a shame, Trevor. You look like a real rock superstar in that video.
Ooh.
Bronwyn, will you be able to come back and have another go at painting my portrait?
Sorry, Station Officer Steele, but it'll have to wait. Sarah's already booked me to paint Trevor's album cover.
This one's for you, Dilys. Come on! Hooah! Hooah!
Oh, Trevor!
I hope we're all up for this hike.
Definitely. But I think we should go old school. No apps, no GPS, just our wits. And a handy map to guide us.
I just want to find some creepy crawlies. Aha! I found something already. Oh, look at this beauty. Wah! Oh, it's coming for me!
There, Norman. The scary ladybird wasn't going to hurt you.
Oh, I knew that.
Keep up, guys.
Time to install the fire safety equipment for the summer. I'll put up the warning signs. Ellie, you set out the shovels. Elvis, you hang up the sand buckets. What's the fire risk today? Is it low? High? Low? High? Low? High? Elvis? What are you doing? Oh, I was just wondering where to set the fire risk meter, Sam. The weather service says it's been hot and dry for a few days, Elvis, so that means the risk is high. That's why we need to get this equipment in place ASAP.
Roger that, Sam.
Oh, roger that, Sam.
Just over the brow.
Are you sure you don't want to use the map on your phone, Mike?
No, Helen. Map reading is an important skill. You can't do everything with a phone. Yeah. Oh, yes, it's this way.
Welcome to Castle Cridlington, the finest fortress in Pontypandy. Very impressive, Elvis. But remember, that sand is for fighting fires, not building sandcastles. Yes, Sam. Sorry, Sam. I'll put it all back in the bucket, Sam.
Get this map under control!
I can smell smoke. Somebody must have lit a campfire. They need to put that out. The fire risk will be high today. Oh, no. Let's get out of the forest.
And we'd better call Fireman Sam.
Everything in place, Sam?
Yes, sir. All the summer safety equipment has been installed.
Well done. Oh!
A fire is spreading through the forest where Malcolm, Norman and the Floods are out hiking.
A fire is spreading through the forest where Malcolm, Norman and the Floods are out hiking.
Ellie, Elvis, you come with me in Jupiter.
Roger that, Sam.
son. Tom, we'll need air support from Wallaby 2.
I'll get it back together as fast as I can, Sam.
It's spreading fast, Sam.
Even with Wallaby 2's help, we'll still need more backup. Right, you two get started fighting the fire. Penny, Arnold, we've got a serious wildfire on our hands. We'll need Venus.
We're already on our way, Sam. Should be with you any second.
We need to hit this fire from both the north and south sides of the forest. You head north.
Roger that, Sam.
Keep moving, everyone!
I've got no signal. I can't work out where we are.
Neither can I.
And my battery is dead.
So, isn't it lucky that I brought a map?
Oh, Mike! You've twisted your ankle badly.
Uh-oh.
I'll need to make a splint.
Oh, the fire is everywhere. What are we going to do?
Look!
Animals can usually sense a way out of danger. We should follow them.
Up you get, Mike Flood.
Here, Dad. Use this as a crutch.
Oh, thanks, love.
Come on, everyone. Let's follow the animals.
I'm not sure this is working, Sam. Tom, is Wallaby 2 ready yet?
Yeah, we're almost fixed, Sam. I'll be in the air in a couple of minutes.
Which way, little brother?
I'm not sure.
But how will we get out?
It'll be okay. Put these wet handkerchiefs over your nose and mouth. It'll help keep out the smoke. And we're going to stay low to the ground where the air is most breathable.
If only we could let Fireman Sam know where we are.
Wait. If that group of trees is here and the path is there, that means these rocks are just along the trail. They might be high enough for you to get a signal.
Okay, everyone stay here. I'll be right back.
Malcolm, are you all safe?
We're trapped in a clearing, and Mike is injured.
I'm sending you our exact location.
I know where that is, but it'll take time to get there. Just in time, Tom. I'm sending you the location of the trapped hikers. Keep the fire away from them.
Got you, Sam. I'm on my way.
Penny, change of plan.
I need Venus back at the picnic site ASAP.
Roger that, Sam. On our way.
Hello down there. Don't worry. Sam is on his way.
Everything's gonna be fine, kids.
Arnold, I need you to help Elvis and Ellie fight the fire from here. Penny, we're going to create a wet corridor through the forest and get everyone to safety.
Roger that, Sam.
Oh, the smoke's getting thicker.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
Let's get Mike and Venus, then we'll all follow her out, keeping low.
Sorry for making fun of your map, Dad. You're the one who saved the day.
Thanks, love. But I think we all did it together.
Oh, and the animals got out safely too.
Oh, I think this is what probably caused the fire, Sam.
Oh, oopsie. That might have been mine.
Norman, it's not just campfires and barbecues you have to be wary of during hot, dry weather. A magnifying glass can be a fire risk too.
Oh, I'm sorry. This massive big red flappy thing came at me.
You mean the ladybird, Norman?
But... Ah! It's on my nose!
Don't freak out, Norman. Remember what happened last time.
Oh, not freaking, not freaking. Get it off, get it off, get it off, get it off!